We got volume on half on both channels. We're on clean right now, and there's like no sound, quiet as a mouse. Second channel, a little bit of hum, nothing too bad for being half cranked. Ready for number 3. Definitely loud. You can kind of hear that same hum in 2 a little bit, but not as bad. Definitely not in 1. Well, it's in there a little bit. I have checked power. I've got pretty clean power, new house. Checked it in several different locations, and I have changed every single, or swapped out every single preamp tube right down to the phase inverter. Everything looked good on that end too. Not sure what's going on.